Moving on now to more breaking news coming in. The BRICS summit is going to be hosted by Russia in a few weeks from now, in fact. But the BRICS NSA meeting is going to take place in just a few days. And NSA Doval is already there in St. Petersburg. In fact, on the sidelines of that meeting, he has met with the Chinese foreign minister, is what we're now learning. Siddhant, my colleague, joining us, getting us more details. Siddhant, what are the details of this meeting that NSA Doval has with the Chinese foreign minister?
Well, look, this particular visit of NSA Doval is very, very significant. In fact, the first half of the day, he spoke on modern security challenges, including ICT-related issues and terrorism, and the need to address them through joint efforts within the BRICS framework. Also, would like to highlight this for the viewers that this particular visit of NSA Doval to Petersburg is much more beyond the NSA multilateral event which he has attended. There are other bilateral meetings of NSA Doval, and in fact there is one photo also which has been released by the BRICS management, in which we could see that NSA Doval and Wang Yi in one photograph, and they are about to shake hands. So perhaps there are a lot of hope that both leaders will meet. And when both leaders will meet on the margins of BRICS NSA meet, then there would be the border issue discussed between the both sides. Also, would like to remind that PM S. Jaishankar met Wang Yi twice in 1 month after Modi 3.0 coming to power. Beyond this, going by what President Putin said the other day, that it looks like he's relying more on BRICS member countries for the peace talks. And since India has also intensified peace talks, Prime Minister Modi promised President Putin to send NSA Doval, and NSA Doval is right now in Petersburg. China is present there, Brazil is present there, India is present there, and Russia is there in Petersburg. Now, Ukraine conflict will definitely come up, and we could expect some sort of an update on what's happening right now as far as the Ukraine-Russia conflict is concerned. Back to you.
Siddhant, thank you so much for getting us the latest on that front. Do keep a track of how the NSA BRICS meeting goes, and of course which is going to be followed through by the heads of government as far as BRICS Nation go, and that is going to be in October. For now, we're slipping into a quick break here on this edition of Nation at 5. But don't forget to catch the season 2 of Shri Shakti. We bring you that on the 16th of September. This is where the indomitable spirit of India's leading ladies will be celebrated. Join the News 18 network in doing so.